Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock headlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these RA style LED projectors? Try them all. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
You're now viewing a video guide for a 94 to 98 Ford Mustang one-piece projector headlight. We will begin by removing a 10mm nut in the location as you see in the video. Now go ahead and disconnect the socket from the corner light and remove the corner light from its location. Finally, use your needle nose pliers to remove the mounting clips that are holding the headlight in place. Now go ahead and disconnect your plug from your headlight. Go ahead and plug the corner light harness and the headlight harness back into the headlight assembly. And then gently slide back the headlight assembly in its location. Make sure that the lights are working properly before you put back the mounting clips. Double check that the headlight is properly secure, and then you are ready to light up the streets. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for choosing SPECDTUNING videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.